Valencian PAELLA, beloved and acclaimed. A recipe on Sundays forever proclaimed. Trial and error will sharpen your ways.
Follow these steps to perfecting today. Crack open the beer, set the mood just right. Gather friends, family, and ingredients. Tie in your paella pan, pour olive oil with care. The smartest choice, nothing else will compare. Orange tree wood is the best for the fire, though a gas stove at home may suit your desire. Add chicken and rabbit, let the sauté begin. Green beans and garrofó, it's what you need within. Always fresh veggies, frozen ones won't do. Seasonal and local, they must be true. Salt and paprika for seasoning. Don't forget when golden brown, add tomato puree next. Now it's ready, so pour proportions exact. 3 times the rice's volume precisely tracked. Turn up the heat, let the broth cook well. Take a break, lean back, enjoy the smell. Don't forget saffron, though it hurts to buy. It gives aroma, flavor, and that golden dye. If you lack it, use seasoning as a stand-in, and sprinkle love around for the best spin. Don't pour the rice yet, you'll tempt me to drink. Wait for the broth to sink below the brink. Taste a bit now, is it salty just right? Fix it or leave it, it's your delight. The rice should be short, grain bomb, but if you please, albufera or la fella are safe guarantees. Cooking time varies, precision's the key. 18 to 21 minutes, perfection you'll see. Less than 18 is a crime, let me say it again. This golden rule must remain. Pour the rice in a cross or a single ridge. Spread it evenly, don't leave any bridge. Make sure it's level before you start. Uneven cooking could break your heart. From now on, no stirring, respect this command. Stirring releases starch, that's banned. At 10 minutes, lower the heat just a bit. Add rosemary sprigs, though later they'll quit. Final countdown, stay sharp, don't stray. Overcooking it now could ruin your day. And now the magic touch to elevate the act. Let's create the sauté, an artful pact. That caramelized layer, toasted and bold. That crispy treasure worth more than gold. Experience matters, trust your nose and your ear. When it smells just toasted, turn the heat off here. Let it rest a moment, resist the attack. Eat straight from the pan, no plates to stack. Always with a spoon, respect everyone's share. And thank the chef for the culinary flair. Check it, boy, you'll hear it every 3 bites. This dish's splendor earns its rights. Valencian PAELLA, inimitable divine. A meal so grand, a recipe refined. You can add chorizo, peas, or pink sauce as a toss, but that's not paella, that's rice with stuff and a loss. Valencian PAELLA, inimitable divine. A meal so grand, a recipe refined. You can add chorizo, peas, or pink sauce as a toss, but that's not paella, that's rice with stuff and a loss.